So maybe you've got some gut issues, you've got some inflammation in the gut, maybe leaky gut syndrome, maybe a lot of gas and bloating, you're just not digesting your food optimally. Well, this video is for you. I've got 7 of my best and favorite supplements for healing the gut and for leaky gut syndrome. Okay, supplement number 1 is a protein powder, but not just any protein powder. What you're looking for is a functional protein, something that has actually been formulated to help to repair those tight junctions in the gut to help to seal up that leaky gut. Some of those ingredients to look for in a high quality protein would be glutamine, which is an amino acid that really helps with those tight junctions, and selenium as well, a very important mineral for our gut health. Okay, number 2 on my list is probiotics. Now we know that probiotics and having that healthy gut microbiome is super important for leaky gut. One of the things that probiotics do is they help to ward off and crowd out those spaces, especially on the small intestinal wall, to allow for the good guys to stay in there, the probiotics, but to ward off some of the bad guys and those offenders, which could be intestinal worms, they could be parasites, they could be bad bacteria and candida, which are trying to penetrate and get through that gut wall lining. You want to have and make sure that you've got enough of those probiotics. Okay, number 3 on my list, another great supplement for leaky gut, is magnesium. Now, magnesium is really interesting in the mechanism in which this is working, as this is related to our modern world. So you may know that we have much more electromagnetic frequencies and fields and forces that are now impacting our health, especially our gut microbiome, and a lot of research has gone into this. Now what those EMFs do, and I'm talking about the man-made, or sometimes they're called non-native EMFs, what they're doing is they're causing for too much calcium to flood into our cells. And this is something that can now offset that proper balance for our cellular metabolism and can be very damaging to our gut microbiome. Now when you are looking for a magnesium supplement, make sure it is a magnesium bisglycinate. So with 2 molecules of that glycine, and this is really important because that glycine does get depleted if you're eating conventional foods that have been sprayed with glyphosate. I've got other videos on glyphosate toxicity and why it's so important to avoid them, but we can't always avoid this in our modern world. So making sure that we're getting enough glycine in a magnesium bisglycinate is a great protective mechanism for your leaky gut. Okay, supplement number 4 are some parasite cleansing herbal medicines, and the ones that are my favorite are called CABO. So cloves, artemisia, black walnut, and oregano, and the whole plant of oregano, not just the oil. Now this becomes very important, and I like to do this at least once per quarter. So seasonally, you're doing a parasite cleanse, and this is just to eradicate any of those less favorable organisms that could be and most likely are in the gut, especially if you do have leaky gut and symptoms of inflammatory gut disorders. Becomes very, very important to do this regularly, even as a preventative and as a protective mechanism for maintaining that proper balance of those gut bugs. Okay, and number 5 on my list is doing a full body detox. So really, dealing with the offshoot of what those parasites and the candida could be giving off. They give off a lot of toxins. For instance, candida can give off over 60 different toxins into your system. And if you're not supporting, when we're talking about your internal organs, whether it is your liver health, as well as your digestive health, we're talking about your lung health, your kidneys as well, which are all trying to help to clear those toxins. This is really important to be able to support these organs with a full body detox. And of course, I've got other herbal medicines, another list of my favorites that I love in combination as that really gentle but effective full body detox. Okay, number 6 on my list, another great supplement for leaky gut, is a DHA fish oil. Now DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, is very important as an important omega-3 fatty acid, which helps with our electrical signaling in our cells. It is also known to supply a lot of electrons in the gut and repairs those tight junctions in the leaky gut. So that becomes very, very important, counteracts that positive charge and that inflammation with the protons in the body. So really important that we're getting enough DHA. So of course, a high DHA diet is going to be important as well. So eating more fish and seafood and shellfish as well can be a great source of that DHA. But at the same time, if you're not getting enough in your diet, then you may want to supplement with a high quality DHA supplement. And number 7 on my list, another great supplement for leaky gut, is digestive enzymes. Now, they help you to break down your food. Certain enzymes can also weaken the outer shell of things like candida and other intestinal parasites. So it's a great way to make sure that your digestion is optimized by taking the right type of digestive enzyme supplement. Now, I did mention about those fish oils, and especially that DHA fish oil as a supplement. I do have a video about this, which I want you to check out. It's called The Best Fish Oil Supplements Have This. I'll see you there.